Good morning, dear students. I am going to teach fourth step of reported speech. I hope that you would have understood third step. So I want to start fourth step of reported speech. There are some points. Notate the point. Listen it attentively. If the sentence of reporting part in past tense, the sentence of reported part are under past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense, the sentence of reported part will not be changed. I repeat again. If the sentence of reporting part in past tense, the sentence of reported part are under past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense, the sentence of reported part will not be changed. Change of pronouns and nearest things. Change of pronouns and nearest things will be changed. Now we see through the example. There is first example. Manish said to them, comma inverted comma, you had not known about me anything, inverted comma close. Direct speech. This example indicates towards direct speech. Now we see about indirect speech through this example. Manish said to को assertive सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे told में, told them. कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को रिमूव करने के लिए कंजंक्शन दैट का यूज करते हैं. दैट यू इज इंडिकेट person of second person according to change according to object in reporting part them का nominative case they past perfect tense report the sentence of reported part in past perfect tense, so it cannot be changed. They had not known about me. फर्स्ट पर्सन का ये प्रोनाउन है, इसलिए इसे हम अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट मनीष इज एज masculine gender, him anything indirect speech. Now we see another example. The teacher said to the boy, in the class, comma, inverted comma, I had been teaching moral education for several days. Inverted comma, close. Now we will see about indirect speech. At first, we will see about reporting part. The teacher said to the boy in the class. The teacher said to को कन्वर्ट करेंगे टोल्ड में. The boys in the class. कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को रिमूव करने के लिए ऐसे सेंटेंस में दैट कंजंक्शन का यूज करते हैं. दैट आई इंडिकेट फर्स्ट पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट द टीचर. ही. I have already told you the teacher जहां पर जेंडर क्लियर न हो, मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन, वहां पर मैस्कुलिन जेंडर का यूज किया जाता है. सो द टीचर इज एज अ मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. ही हैड बीन teaching moral education for several days. Indirect speech. Like these sentences, we would follow further. There is another condition. If the sentence, listen it attentively, if the sentence of reporting part in past tense and the sentence of reported part in past tense, the sentence of reported part in indirect speech will not be changed. I repeat again. Denote, if the sentence of reporting part is in past tense and the sentence of reported part in past tense, the sentence of reported part in indirect speech will not be changed. see another example through this video. For example, note the example. First, Shyam said to his friend, comma inverted comma, I could not share my properties to you now. To you now. Now we will see about indirect speech through above examples. Shyam told his friend, comma inverted comma के स्थान पर at the place of comma inverted comma we use conjunction that. I is as first person according to subject Shyam. Shyam is as masculine gender. So we use he. He couldn't share my is as first person as a possessive case. So we use possessive case as his properties to you is as second person according to object his friend, उसका friend, him, his. You is as objective case, friend का objective case him. Him. Now जो है यह nearest thing, it will be changed in then. Indirect speech. Now we will see next example. Second example, I said to them, comma inverted comma, you would not go to abroad last year, inverted comma close. Now we will see about indirect speech to above sentence. I told them, comma inverted comma, at the place of comma inverted comma we use it conjunction that. You is as second person according to object them. Them का nominative case, they would not go to abroad last year is as nearest thing, its distance is the previous year. The previous year. Indirect speech. I hope that you would be understood.